Super quick and easy video if your van won't open with the key. So I'm trying a little bit of pressure, nothing happens. You don't want to force this, you could damage it further. Super easy to fix this. All you need is a bottle of WD-40. Actually says on it, not this one. Yeah, penetrates free stuck locks. So you want to get it into the keyhole, just a tiny little bit. Give it a little spray. Very small. And also spray a little bit onto the key. Really don't need much. Get the other side. So the pins in the lock get stuck. So this should fix it once it works in. And it's good. Now it opens very easily. So yeah, easy fix. Your lock cylinder is not damaged yet, it just needs some freeing up. Please give the video a like if this helped your stuck lock. Drop a comment letting me know if it helped you, and subscribe for more.